If you have insufficient knowledge in agriculture.
Agricultural trivias that you don't know.
Farming hacks.
Farming information.
Farming innovation.
Farming updates.
Latest farming technologies.
And licensure examination in agriculture.
You are in and welcome to the Trivia Vibes, your study buddy and your partner in modern world of farming. Let us continue our Q&A in crop protection, answering 150 items. Question number 1. The following are diseases caused by mineral deficiencies, except A. Blossom end of tomato, B. Lethal yellows of coconut, C. Lumpiness of papaya, D. Chlorosis of rice.
The answer is letter B. Lethal yellows of coconut.
Number 2. These are cultural methods of controlling diseases, except A. Crop rotation, B. Use of chemicals, C. Sanitation, D. Rouging.
The answer is letter B. Use of chemicals.
Number 3. This pathogen can survive as saprophytes, except A. Fungi, B. Bacteria, C. Virus, D. None.
The answer is letter C. Virus.
Number 4. The following are hypoplastic symptoms except A. Canker, B. Mosaic, C. Curling, D. Stunting.
The answer is letter A. Canker.
Number 5. A principle of plant disease control that involves the prevention of infection by putting a barrier, either mechanical or chemical, between the pathogen and the suscept. A. Eradication, B. Exclusion, C. Immunization, D. Protection.
The answer is letter D. Protection.
Number 6. A principle of plant disease control which are intended to eliminate, inhibit, or kill the pathogen that become established within the plant or an area. A. Eradication, B. Exclusion, C. Immunization, D. Protection.
The answer is letter eradication.
Number 7. Rouging virus infected plants in the field falls under what principle of plant disease control? A. Eradication, B. Exclusion, C. Immunization, D. Protection. The answer is letter A. Eradication. Number 8. Control of disease through crop rotation falls under what method of plant disease control? A. Biological control, B. Cultural control, C. Physical control, D. Chemical control.
The answer is letter B. Cultural control.
Number 9. Irradiation of fruit with gamma rays falls under what method of disease control? A. Biological control, B. Cultural control, C. Physical control, D. Chemical control.
The answer is letter C. Physical control.
Number 10. Soil fumigation to control moco disease of banana falls under what method of control? A. Biological control, B. Cultural control, C. Physical control, D. Chemical control.
The answer is letter D. Chemical control.
Number 11. Trichoderma spp is a microbial agent against the following plant pathogen, except 1. Through competition for substrates and hyperparasitism. A. Pythium spp, B. Rhizoctonia solani, C. Fusarium spp, D. Pseudomonas spp.
The answer is letter D. Pseudomonas spp.
Number 12. The spores of this microbial agent enter through the body opening or adhere to the cuticle of the nematode, germinate and penetrate, making it strongly parasitic on all stages of development of common plant. Parasitic nematodes, especially the eggs. A. Gigaspora spp, B. Bacillomyces lilicinus, C. Glomus spp, D. Glomus musae.
The answer is letter B. Bacillomyces lilicinus.
Number 13. Which among the following is a disadvantage of using cultural control against pest and disease? A. Cheap, B. Less disruptive to the environment, C. Do not provide effective control to some pest, D. Compatible with other control methods.
The answer is letter C. Do not provide effective control to some pest.
Number 14. Refer to the increase of the amount of substance within a single organism. A. Bioaccumulation, B. Biofumigation, C. Biomagnification, D. Cooperation.
The answer is letter bioaccumulation.
Number 15. Refer to the increase of the amount of substance across trophic levels. A. Bioaccumulation, B. Biofumigation, C. Biomagnification, D. Cooperation.
The answer is letter C, biomagnification.
Number 16. Which among the following substance cannot bioaccumulate? A. Those with affinity for fat, B. Those not soluble in water, C. First-generation organochlorine, D. Those with bigger molecules.
The answer is letter D, those with bigger molecules.
Number 17. Which of the following describes bioaccumulation? A. Accumulation of organic chemicals in an organism, B. Accumulation of substances in the environment before they are taken in by the first organism in the food web, C. The concentration of the substance in the organism becomes greater than the one in the environment, D. All of the above.
The answer is letter D, all of the above.
Number 18. Which of the following substance can be biomagnified? A. Novel organic substance, i.e. POPs, B. Mercury, C. Cadmium, D. All of the above.
The answer is letter D, all of the above.
Number 19. This causes leaf spot of tomato and pepper. A. Xanthomonas campestris, B. Aspergillus scabies, C. Riniella precursor, D. Pythium ultimum.
The answer is letter A, Xanthomonas campestris.
Number 20. The phenomenon when weed seeds fail to germinate even under favorable conditions. A. Quiescence, B. Viability, C. Dormancy, D. Longevity.
The answer is letter C, dormancy.
Number 21. Legal actions intended to exclude potential pest and prevent spread of those already. A. Suppression, B. Containment, C. Quarantine, D. Eradication.
The answer is letter C, quarantine.
Number 22. Blank is the fungus that causes downy mildew of corn. A. Peronosclerospor philippinensis, B. Calototricum gloeosporioides, C. Pyricularia grisea, D. Plasmodiophora brassicae.
The answer is letter A, Peronosclerospora philippinensis.
Number 23. Disease of newly planted crop due to decomposition of previous vegetation and or weeds is fall. Under A. Mineral toxicities, B. Soil pH, C. Improper agricultural practices, D. Phytotoxicity. The
answer is letter D, phytotoxicity.
Number 24. Sheath blight of rice and corn is caused by A. Helminthosporium matus, B. Cercospora cruenta, C. Rhizoctonia solani, D. Cercosporidium personatum.
The answer is letter C, Rhizoctonia solani.
Number 25. Magnaporth grisea is the causal organism of rice blast disease. The anamorph of this fungus is A. Polymyxa graminis, B. Puccinia graminis, C. Xanthomonas oryzae, D. Pyricularia oryzae.
The answer is letter D, Pyricularia oryzae.
Number 26. The causal agent of loose smut disease of oat. A. Ustilago matus, B. Ustilago avinae, C. Talicia idica, D. Ustilago nuda.
The answer is letter B, Ustilago avinae.
Number 27. Blanca's organism causes esophageal cancer to man and toxic to horses. A. Aflatoxin, B. Streptomycin, C. Fumonisin, D. Ochratoxin.
The answer is letter B, fumonisin.
Number 28. The following are climatic factors, except one, which can cause symptoms that may be confused with crop damages brought about by pests and pathogens. A. Drought, B. Fertilizer burn, C. Excess moisture, D. Strong wind.
The answer is letter B, fertilizer burn.
Number 29. Microorganisms that undergo change and remain genetically homogeneous are called A. Biotype, B. Physiologic race, C. Pathover, D. Ferme specials.
The answer is letter A, biotype.
Number 30. Rice tungro can be effectively managed by application of insecticide. In here, disease management is achieved through A. Controlling the vector, B. Reducing the rate of inoculum production, C. Making the host resistant, D. Changing the host of the vector.
The answer is letter B, reducing the rate of inoculum production.
Number 31. In the principle of pest exclusion, the pest is A. Kept away from the host, B. Killed at once upon introduction, C. Killed once it is inside the host, D. Quarantined.
The answer is letter A, kept away from the host.
Number 32. Which of the following are transgenic crops in the USA? Bt corn, B. Bt cotton, C. Bt potatoes, D. All of the above.
The answer is letter D, all of the above.
Number 33. Which of the following are declared to be under the containment program in the Philippines, with the aim of preventing the spread of an introduced pest that cannot be eradicated? A. Socorro wilt of coconut in Mindoro, B. Papaya ring spot virus in Luzon, C. Kadang-kadang in Bicol, D. All of the above.
The answer is letter D, all of the above.
Number 34. This refers to the Plant Quarantine Act of 1922, A. RA 3030, B. RA 3027, C. RA 3028, D. RA 3029.
The answer is letter B, RA 3027.
Number 35. This is the process of evaluation to determine whether a pest should be regulated. Thus serves as a basis for imposing quarantine action. A. Pest risk analysis or PRA. B. Legislation. C. Memo of agreement. D. SPS agreement.
The answer is letter A, pest risk analysis or PRA.
Number 36. The causal agent of rust disease of soybean. A. Puccinia graminis, B. Polymyxa graminis, C. Phacopsera pachyrhizae, D. Rhizoctonia solani.
The answer is letter C, Phacopsera pachyrhizae.
Number 37. A type of soil where the soil-borne pathogen severely causes disease of the crop. A. Suppressive soil, B. Topsoil, C. Conducive soil, D. Subsoil.
The answer is letter C, conducive soil.
Number 38. The following are soil-borne pathogens, except A. Fusarium oxysporium, B. Calodotrichum conoides, C. Pythium dibarianum, D. Phytophthora cinnamomych.
The answer is letter B, Calodotrichum conoides.
Number 39. The following are antagonistic microorganisms present mostly in suppressive soil. Which among the microorganisms is not considered antagonistic? A. Penicillium, B. USD lago, C. Bacillus, D. Polymyxa.
The answer is letter B, Eustalago.
Number 40. The following are mechanisms of action of microorganisms with antagonistic properties, except A. Direct parasitism or lysis and death of the pathogen, B. Competition with the pathogen for food, C. Direct toxic effects on the pathogen by antibiotic substances released by the antagonist, D. Indirect toxic effects on the pathogen by volatile substances, such as azadirachtin, which are released by the metabolic activities of the antagonist.
The answer is letter D, indirect toxic effects on the pathogen by volatile substances, such as azadirachtin, which are released by the metabolic activities of the antagonist.
Number 41. Planting of crops around the main crop to control aphid-carrying viral disease is an example of A. Physical control, B. Mechanical control, C. Cultural control, D. Genetic control. The answer is letter C. Cultural control. Number 42. When the soil is aerated with steam heat or hot water at 50 to 100 degrees Celsius to kill weeds, soil-borne pathogens, and insects, it is termed as A. Soil solarization, B. Soil heating, C. Soil sterilization, D. Suppressive soil.
The answer is letter C, soil sterilization.
Number 43. Hot air treatment of sweet potato for 2 weeks with the temperature of 28 to 30 degrees Celsius can control pathogens such as A. Aspergillus sp, B. Verticillium sp, C. Rhizopus sp, D. Xanthomonas sp.
The answer is letter C, Rhizopus sp.
Number 44. Expressions by the susceptive a pathological condition. To distinguish the diseased from the healthy ones, A. Signs, B. Symptoms, C. Diagnosis, D. Pathogens.
The answer is letter B, symptoms.
Number 45. Organisms that incite diseases in plants, A. Parasites, B. Saprophytes, C. Phanerogams, D. Pathogen.
The answer is letter D, pathogen.
Number 46. It is pathogenic, but not parasitic on plants, A. Sooty mold, B. Blue mold, C. Black mold, D. White mold.
The answer is letter A, sooty mold.
Number 47. A common symptom of bacterial infection in plants, A. Rust, B. Soft rot, C. Curling, D. Cupping.
The answer is letter B, soft rot.
Number 48. A common viral symptom, whereby there is complete suppression of the development of the leaf blade, A. Chlorosis, B. Leaf, C. Savoying, D. Rosetting.
The answer is letter C, savoying.
Number 49. A viral symptom whereby there is shortening of the inner nodes of shoots or branches, A. Chlorosis, B. Fernleaf, C. Savoying, D. Rosetting.
The answer is letter D, rosetting.
Number 50. A plant disease symptom exhibited as loss of turgidity, A. Wilting, B. Stunting, C. Chlorosis, D. Hydrosis.
The answer is letter A, wilting.
Number 51. A water-soaked condition of tissues due to extrusion of water from the cells into the intracellular spaces, A. Wilting, B. Stunting, C. Chlorosis, D. Hydrosis.
The answer is letter D, hydrosis.
Number 52. The cupping out of leaf margins due to failure of cells along the margins to multiply, A. Savoying, B. Stunting, C. Chlorosis, D. Hydrosis.
The answer is letter A, savoying.
Number 53. It is a rapid rotting of the stem of seedlings along the soil line, A. Damping off, B. Rot, C. Spot, D. Scald.
The answer is letter A, damping off.
Number 54. Exhibited as dead tissues in advanced stage of disintegration, A. Damping off, B. Rot, C. Spot, D. Scald.
The answer is letter B, rot.
Number 55. Plant disease symptom exhibited by blanching of the epidermis, A. Damping off, B. Rot, C. Spot, D. Scald.
The answer is letter D, scald.
Number 56. A disease symptom characterized by death of young buds or inflorescence of the susceptible plant, A. Blight, B. Scorch, C. Blast, D. Streak.
The answer is letter C, blast.
Number 57. A type of chlorosis whereby the foliage appears as light green or yellowish green, A. Diffused, B. Patterned, C. Variegated, D. None of the above.
The answer is letter A, diffused.
Number 58. A type of chlorosis whereby light green or yellowish green is restricted in definite areas of the leaves, B. Are diffused, B. Patterned, C. Variegated, D. None of the above.
The answer is letter B, patterned.
Number 59. Premature development of a shoot from a bud, A. Prolepsis, B. Psoriasis, C. Abscission, D. Restoration.
The answer is letter A, prolepsis.
Number 60. Complete development of rudimentary organs, A. Prolepsis, B. Psoriasis, C. Abscission, D. Restoration.
The answer is letter D, restoration.
Number 61. It is a symptoms of plant disease characterized by premature falling of fruits, leaves or flowers, A. Prolepsis, B. Psoriasis, C. Abscission, D. Restoration.
The answer is letter C, abscission.
Number 62. It is a symptom of animal or human disease characterized by circular and slightly raised overgrowth. Tissues: A. Prolepsis, B. Psoriasis, C. Abscission, D. Restoration.
The answer is letter B, psoriasis.
Number 63. The most conspicuous symptoms caused by Melidogen incognita: A. Injured buds, B. Leaf galls, C. Excessive root branching, D. Root galls.
The answer is letter C, excessive root branching.
Number 64. The feeding mechanism of nematodes: A. Beak, B. Proboscis, C. stylet, D. Mouthparts.
The answer is letter C, stylet.
Number 65. In a disease cycle, what stage occurs immediately before infection? A. Inoculation, B. Penetration, C. Colonization, D. Survival.
The answer is letter A, inoculation.
Number 66. In a disease cycle, what stage takes place following colonization? A. Inoculation, B. Penetration, C. Infection, D. Survival.
The answer is letter D, survival.
Number 67. What is the host response to destruction of the chloroplast? A. Chlorosis, B. Leaf spot, C. Soft rot, D. Damping off.
The answer is letter A, chlorosis.
Number 68. What is the host response to destruction of the middle lamellae and cell wall? A. Chlorosis, B. Leaf spot, C. Soft rot, D. Damping off. The answer is letter C, soft rot. Number 69. An active defense mechanism of plants whereby the plant cells that surround the pathogen die, confining and eventually killing the pathogen. A. Lack of nutrient, B. Osmotic pressure, C. Hypersensitivity, D. Detoxification. The
answer is letter C, hypersensitivity.
Number 70. It refers to the epidemics of plant diseases. A. Epiphytotics, B. Pandemic, C. Endemic, D. Exotic.
The answer is letter A, epiphytotics.
Number 71. An indigenous plant disease. A. Epiphytotics, B. Endemic, C. Pandemic, D. Exotic.
The answer is letter B, endemic.
Number 72. A technique whereby a mild strain of pathogen is introduced into a severe strain to effect control. A. Interference, B. Cross protection, C. Use of antagonist, D. Resistant varieties.
The answer is letter B, cross protection.
Number 73. A disease control practice that would keep off the pathogen in areas where they are not yet found. A. Quarantine, B. Crop rotation, C. Tillage, D. Use of pesticides.
The answer is letter A, quarantine.
Number 74. It refers to the prevention of a new pathogen from being introduced into a locality where it is currently unknown. A. Exclusion, B. Protection, C. Eradication, D. Immunization.
The answer is letter A, exclusion.
Number 75. The prevention of infection by putting a chemical barrier between the pathogen and the suscept. A. Exclusion, B. Protection, C. Eradication, D. Immunization.
The answer is letter B, protection.
Number 76. The elimination or killing of pathogens that have become established within the plant or area. A. Exclusion, B. Protection, C. Eradication, D. Immunization.
The answer is letter C, eradication.
Number 77. It involves the modification of certain physiological or physical features of the host so that it can repel infection. A. Exclusion, B. Protection, C. Eradication, D. Immunization.
The answer is letter D, immunization.
Number 78. The use of antagonists against pathogens belongs to the principle of A. Exclusion, B. Protection, C. Eradication, D. Immunization.
The answer is letter D, immunization.
Number 79. The use of hot water treatment in controlling diseases belongs to A. Exclusion, B. Protection, C. Eradication, D. Immunization.
The answer is letter C, eradication.
Number 80. The use of crop rotation to starve the pathogen belongs to A. Exclusion, B. Protection, C. Eradication, D. Immunization.
The answer is letter C, eradication.
Number 81. This is the rice fungal disease that caused the Bengal famine in 1943. A. Rice blast. B. Brown spot. C. Rice tongue-grow. D. Sheath blight.
The answer is letter B, brown spot.
Number 82. The following are chemicals used as seed treatment to protect the seed from pathogens, except A. Metalaxyl, B. PCNB, C. Diazobin, D. Rotenone.
The answer is letter D, rotenone.
Number 83. To control the bunchy top of abaca, the following should be done, except A. The virus is soil-borne, and it has no vector to control. B. Planting of tissue-cultured planting materials. C. Varietal screening is necessary to determine which variety is suitable to the area. D. Aphid and banana leaf hopper should be controlled.
The answer is letter A. The virus is soil-borne, and it has no vector to control.
Number 84. The disease was first reported to be caused by mycoplasma-like organisms in Japan. A. Peach yellows. B. Kadang-kadang. C. Aster yellows. D. Corn stunt.
The answer is letter C, aster yellows.
Number 85. He first discovered viroid as the causal agent of plant disease. A. Theodor Diner. B. Asegahine et al. C. Widoy et al. D. Berkeley.
The answer is letter Theodor Diner.
Number 86. This occurs when the pathogen has become established in the plant tissues and obtains nutrients from the host. A. L'infection. B. Disease cycle. C. Disease. D. Life cycle.
The answer is letter A, infection.
Number 87. When the plant is infected with a mild strain of a virus from subsequent infection by a more severe strain of the same virus that normally causes more severe symptoms is termed as A. Inoculation. B. Immunization. C. Cross-protection. D. Hybridization defense.
The answer is letter C, cross-protection.
Number 88. Using resistant varieties against specific pathogens is an example of A. Cultural control. B. Genetic control. C. Biological control. D. Ecological control.
The answer is letter B, genetic control.
Number 89. Which among the following is a physical control method required to eliminate fruit flies on mango and papaya for export to Japan? A. Refrigeration. B. Vapor heat treatment. C. UV radiation. D. Hot water treatment.
The answer is letter B, vapor heat treatment.
Number 90. The capacity of the host plant to become infected and harbor the disease without much effect on yield. A. Immunity. B. Resistance. C. Susceptibility. D. Tolerance.
The answer is letter D, tolerance.
Number 91. Spraying of plants with a plant defense activator such as salicylic acid and dichloroisnaconic acid falls under what principle of plant disease control? A. Eradication. B. Immunization. C. Exclusion. D. Protection.
The answer is letter B, immunization.
Number 92. The following are advantages of biological control except A. Safe. B. Environment friendly. C. Self-perpetuating. D. Slow-acting.
The answer is letter D, slow acting.
93. This fungal microorganism is used as biotin against Pythium and Phytophthora. A. Metarhizium. B. Verticillium. C. Trichoderma. D. Bacillomyces.
The answer is letter C, trichoderma.
Number 94. The causal agent of black scurf of potato and Seretian disease of cotton and tobacco. A. Rhizoctonia. B. Xanthomonas. C. Ralstonia. D. Lifesinia.
The answer is letter A, rhizoctonia.
Number 95. Rice tongue-grow can be effectively managed by the application of insecticide. In here, disease management is achieved through A. Controlling the vector. B. Reducing the rate of inoculum production. C. Making the host resistant. D. Changing the host of the vector.
The answer is letter B, reducing the rate of inoculum production.
Number 96. The following are climatic factors, except one, which can cause symptoms that may be confused with crop damages brought about by pests and pathogens. A. Drought. B. Fertilizer burn. C. Excess moisture. D. Strong wind.
The answer is letter B, fertilizer burn.
Number 97. Rouging as a virus disease control strategy is effective if the disease spread is A. Occurring at random in the field. B. Occurring uniformly in the field. C. Occurring rapidly relative to the life cycle of the crop. D. Occurring slowly relative to the life cycle of the crop.
The answer is letter D, occurring slowly relative to the life cycle of the crop.
Number 98. What principle of plant disease control is exemplified when one is required to leave at the airport the planting materials carried from abroad? A. Exclusion. B. Eradication. C. Immunization. D. Protection.
The answer is letter exclusion.
Number 99. The capacity of the host plant to become infected and harbor the disease without much effect on yield. A. Immunity. B. Susceptibility. C. Resistance. D. Tolerance.
The answer is letter D, tolerance.
Number 100. The race-specific type of resistance is also called A. Horizontal resistance. B. Major gene resistance. C. Qualitative resistance. D. All of the above.
The answer is letter D, all of the above.
Number 101. It is a protection offered by inoculating a mild virus strain against a virulent strain of the virus. A. Cross protection. B. Immunity. C. Tolerance. D. Resistance.
The answer is letter A, cross protection.
101. It is a protection offered by inoculating a mild virus strain against a virulent strain of the virus. A. Cross protection. B. Immunity. C. Tolerance. D. Resistance.
The answer is letter A, cross protection.
Number 102. The phenomenon wherein genetically susceptible plants do not become infected because the three factors necessary for disease-susceptible host, virulent pathogen, and favorable environment do not coincide and interact at the proper time or for sufficient duration. A. Disease escape. B. Durable resistance. C. Immunity. D. Tolerance.
The answer is letter A, disease escape.
Number 103. In the mid-20th century 1972, there was an epidemic of this disease in the U.S. which was attributed to their corn hybrid breeding. A. Southern blight of corn. B. Corn borer. C. Army worm. D. Corn cutworm.
The answer is letter A, southern blight of corn.
Number 104. Which among the following pathogen are declared under quarantine regulation in the Philippines? A. Papaya ring spot virus. B. Banana Panama disease. C. Coconut lethal yellowing disease. D. All of the above.
The answer is letter D, all of the above.
Number 105. Refer to an apparent mechanism in host plant resistance due to geographical barriers. Meteorological barriers. One example is the soil is not conducive to plant pathogens. A. Host escape. B. Host evasion. C. Induced resistance. D. Antixenosis.
The answer is letter A, host escape.
Number 106. Which of the following is a factor involved in disease production? A. Intervention measures by man. B. Duration and intensity of various environmental factors. C. Plant susceptibility and pathogen virulence. D. All of the above.
The answer is letter D, all of the above.
Number 107. An epidemic is most likely to occur when A. Plants are predisposed by excessive fertilization or injuries. B. The environment is favorable for disease development. C. Monocropping of a single variety is being practiced over a wide area. D. All of the above.
The answer is letter D, all of the above.
Number 108. This theory of plant disease considers the pathogen as an outgrowth of the infected host plant. A. Germ theory. B. Disease triangle. C. Autogenetic theory of disease. D. None of the above.
The answer is letter C, autogenetic theory of disease.
Number 109. Refer to the active or passive movement of the pathogen through the host tissues. A. Colonization. B. Attack. C. Inoculation. D. Spread.
The answer is letter D, spread.
Number 110. In disease assessment. This refers to the proportion of plant units diseased in relation to the total number of units. Examined. A. Disease spread. B. Yield loss. C. Disease severity. D. Disease incidence.
The answer is letter D, disease incidence.
Number 111. The clubroot disease of cabbage is widespread in the mountain province, which can be attributed to the areas. A. Poor fertility of the soil. B. Wet and humid condition. C. Elevated farms. D. Wind direction.
The answer is letter B, wet and humid condition.
Number 12. This disease is not visible when the fruit is still unripe up to begin to manifest its symptom. When ripening has started. A. Citrus scab. B. Soft rot of carrots. C. Stem end rot of avocado. D. Fruit blotch of watermelon.
The answer is letter C, stem and rot of avocado.
Number 113. This characterized a persistent transmitted virus. A. Typically has no latent period. B. Has long latent period. C. Induces foliar symptoms like stunting. D. Is lost by the vector immediately.
The answer is letter B, has long latent period.
Number 114. Which of the following statement is not true? A. Diseases of the plant is by specific agent. B. Not all diseases are caused by living organism. C. Disease would be happened if absence of virulent pathogen, favorable environment, and susceptible host. D. Plant is all susceptible to one specific agent of disease.
The answer is letter D, plant is all susceptible to one specific agent of disease.
Number 115. Which of the following statement is correct? A. Diseases is caused by any agent. B. Diseases is caused by living agent only. C. Nutrient deficiency is also considered plant disease. D. Man is not included in concept of plant disease.
The answer is letter C, nutrient deficiency is also considered plant disease.
Number 116. The inability of a pathogen to infect a certain plant variety that carries genetic resistance. A. Virulent. B. Avirulent. C. Pathogen. D. Disease.
The answer is letter B, avirulent.
Number 117. The most devastating virus disease of Philippine crop, except A. Tungro disease of rice. B. Tristeza disease of citrus. C. Stalk rot corn. D. Abacamosaic virus.
The answer is letter C, stalk rot corn.
Number 118. Used in testing seeds, planting materials, cutting and grafts for the presence of viruses and bacteria. As practical application of biotechnology in plant protection is called A. Monoclonal antibodies. B. Transgenic plant resistance to virus infection. C. In vitro regeneration. D. Transgenic plants possessing insect resistance.
The answer is letter A, monoclonal antibodies.
Number 119. On what percentage level of moisture should grain has to contain so it can be stored for a long period of time and microbial activities can be lessened to avoid damage? A. 12%. B. 14%. C. 9%. D. 25%.
The answer is letter A, 12%.
Number 120. Leaf tip chlorosis and scorching of margins are due to A. Boron deficiency. B. Nitrogen deficiency. C. Potassium deficiency. D. Magnesium deficiency.
The answer is letter C, potassium deficiency.
Number 121. The prevention of a pest or pathogen from producing economic injury to a crop. By placing a chemical or physical barrier between the pest or the inoculum of the pathogen and the host or suscept is called A. Protection, B. Eradication, C. Exclusion, D. Avoidance.
The answer is letter A, protection.
Number 122. The prevention of plant disease development by chemical means by manipulating the environment or by eradicating the pathogen is called A. Immunization, B. Prophylaxis, C. Protection, D. Eradication.
The answer is letter B, prophylaxis.
Number 123. High concentration of what plant nutrient predisposed towards disease susceptibility? The plant becoming soft and tending to remain in vegetative condition. A. Nitrogen, B. Phosphorus, C. Potassium, D. Calcium.
The answer is letter A, nitrogen.
Number 124. Describes cultivars that express resistance against a broad range of genotypes. A. Downward resistance, B. Vertical resistance, C. Horizontal resistance, D. Biotypes.
The answer is letter C, horizontal resistance.
Number 125. The presence of this material in the nucleus or cytoplasm of the cell of an infected plant may indicate viral infection. A. Starch inclusions, B. Fat bodies, C. Inclusion bodies, D. Antibodies.
The answer is letter C, inclusion bodies.
Number 126. Which of the following does not belong to the group? A. Purpling of corn, B. Deformities of papaya, C. Blossom end of tomato, D. Sheath blight of rice.
The answer is letter D, sheath blight of rice.
Number 127. Moldy grains that are discolored and carry off odors suffer a reduction in one of the following. A. Quantity, B. Quality, C. Damage, D. Disease.
The answer is letter B, quality.
Number 128. A known entomopathogenic fungus that infects white grubs, rhinoceros beetle, which considered as an insect pest of coconut. A. Bacillus thuringiensis, B. Xanthopimplastometer, C. Pseudoannulata egorotis, D. Metarhizium anisoplia.
The answer is letter D, Metarhizium anisoplia.
Number 129. Who conducted pioneering research on controlling corn downy mildew through chemical seed treatment? A. Gerardo Ocfamia, B. Excond and Molina, C. Charles Baker, D. Leopoldo Uachanko.
The answer is letter D, Excond and Molina.
Number 130. In plants, nitrogen deficiency typically causes chlorosis yellowing that first appears in which part? A. Oldest leaves, B. Youngest leaves, C. Middle leaves, D. Stems.
The answer is letter A, oldest leaves.
Number 131. It is a single-celled fungus that hasten the decomposition of organic matter especially high in lignin and cellulose like rice straw, cord dust, bagasse, and weeds. A. Azala, B. Trichoderma harzinum, C. Bacillus thuringiensis, D. Trichogramma evanescens.
The answer is letter B, Trichoderma harzinum.
Number 132. Which plant hormone prevents or delays senescence that ethylene promotes in plants? A. Auxins, B. Cytokinins, C. Gibberellins, D. Abscisic acid.
The answer is letter B, cytokinins.
Number 133. Which biological control agent is effective against the rice black bug? Scotonophora coarctata. A. Trichoderma harzinum, B. Metarhizium anisoplia, C. Bovaria bassiana, D. Bacillus thuringiensis subspecies. Y.
The answer is letter B, Metarhizium anisoplia.
Number 134. Which pathogen causes bacterial wilt of banana, also known as moco disease? A. Magnaporth gricia, B. Mycosphaerula figensis, C. Pseudomonas ralstonia solanacerum, D. Pseudomonas campestris.
The answer is letter C, Pseudomonas ralstonia solanacerum.
Number 135. Which pathogen is responsible for Panama disease, fusarium wilt of banana? A. Fusarium oxysporum. B. Pseudomonas solanacearum. C. Mycosphaerolophagensis. D. Magnaporth gricia.
The answer is letter A, Fusarium oxysporum.
Number 136. Air pollutant that cause plant disease includes the following, except A. Ethylene. B. Nitrate. C. Peroxyacetyl nitrate. D. Calcium carbonate.
The answer is letter A, ethylene.
Number 137. What term describes the plant disease that develops on leaves and fruits after prolonged exposure to intense sunlight and high temperatures? A. Heat necrosis. B. Sun scald. C. Canker. D. Vein clearing.
The answer is letter B, sunscald.
Number 138. Cold storage could be used against pest and is considered a method of control. A. Cultural. B. Physical. C. Chemical. D. Mechanical.
The answer is letter B, physical.
Number 139. Pneumomorocco is a disease caused by what pathogen? A. Fungi. B. Bacteria. C. Virus. D. Nematodes.
The answer is letter C, virus.
Number 140. What micronutrient is needed in the synthesis of auxins and is usually deficient in waterlogged soils? A. Iron. B. Zinc. C. Molybdenum. D. Copper.
The answer is letter B, zinc.
Number 141. In a very extremely acidic soils, pH for 0.5 to 5.0. These elements are toxic to plants except A. Aluminum. B. Calcium. C. Iron. D. Manganese.
The answer is letter B, calcium.
Number 142. Which of the following microorganisms is a component of the fungus activator? A. Bacillus. B. Trichoderma. C. Rhizobium. D. Trichogramma.
The answer is letter B, trichoderma.
Number 143. Which of the following microorganism is very sensitive to potassium levels in the soil and therefore useful in diagnosing potassium deficiency? A. Pseudomonas denitrificans. B. Aspergillus niger. C. Azobacter crococcum. D. Nitrobacter agilis.
The answer is letter B, Aspergillus niger.
Number 144. Those type of symptom in which the outstanding characteristics is the drying or death of cells, tissues, or organs is called A. Hyperplastic symptom. B. Chlorotic symptom. C. Necrotic symptom. D. Hypoplastic symptom.
The answer is letter C, necrotic symptom.
Number 145. The manipulation of the morphology or physiology of a crop by selective breeding or hybridization so that the pest or pathogen cannot become established is called A. Development of resistance. B. Genetic manipulation. C. Physiological manipulation. D. Protective manipulation.
The answer is letter A, development of resistance.
Number 146. A measure which reduce attack by the pathogen to varying extents. These include methods of growing plants which discourage their pathogens, which enhance their resistance, or which enable them to withstand attack more successfully. This disease control is called what? A. Alleviation or cultural practices. B. Crop sanitation. C. Plant quarantine. D. Crop rotation.
The answer is letter alleviation or cultural practices.
Number 147. A form of temporary resistance derived from plant condition or the environment. Factors like fertilization or changes in soil moisture levels may make plants more tolerant of insects than under other circumstances. A. Downward resistance. B. Vertical resistance. C. Horizontal resistance. D. Host evasion.
The answer is letter D, host evasion.
Number 148. An acid that are secreted by red onions conferring resistance to onion smudge. A. Protocatechnic acid. B. Nucleic acid. C. Phenolics. D. None of the above.
The answer is letter A, protocatechnic acid.
Number 149. Nematode infestation exhibits the following symptoms except A. Plants are stunted. B. Premature wilting. C. Leaf chlorosis. D. Curled mines on the leaf.
The answer is letter D, curled mines on the leaf.
Number 150. Which of the following root symptoms should raise suspicion of a nematode problem? A. Galls or swelling. B. Wilting. C. Leaf spot. D. Chlorosis.
The answer is letter A, galls or swelling.
I hope that you have learned a lot on this video that may add to your knowledge or information that you really need in your agricultural journey or in your licensure examination in agriculture. Stay tuned to this channel and I will bring you a lot of information that may be useful to your agricultural profession.
If this may help you, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information and updates.
Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next episode.